This podcast is brought to you by JuiceComedyToronto.com. Also, check them out on Instagram at JuiceComedyTO. What's going on, guys? Here we're still at the Africa versus West Indies comedy clash right here. And we have a special guest. He's not performing, but you've seen him all over Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere. You know who we have in the building with us tonight? We have Senior Gumboy in the building tonight. What's going on, my brother?
What's going on, people? How you doing?
Excellent. Yourself?
Always a pleasure to see you. I'm doing good. You know, I'm feeling good.
Yeah.
It's a cool winter.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm feeling good.
No, man, it's good. And what actually brought you out to the Africa versus West Indies comedy clash tonight?
Just to show love, show support.
Yeah.
I go back with a lot of these fine comedians we have today, so I just want to come show some love, show some support.
Yeah.
And Seko, the 2020 vision. You see me? I'm if it tell you.
It's all good. And which team are you supporting?
I mean, don't tell nobody I said this.
Okay. Well, we're not gonna. It's on the camera, but we're not gonna really expose it. Yeah.
It's our West Indies.
West Indies team. All right, no problem.
But we're all African at heart.
Yeah.
Mama Africa is the root.
Yeah.
But today we are broke away from that. It's a West Indies thing. So you know how it goes already.
Yeah, nah, man. Good. I know right now when it comes to all the Instagram videos and stuff, you're always all over the place. Mm-hmm. Tell me some of your highlights from 2019.
From 2019,
yeah.
Some of the highlights was really I went to Jamaica this past 2019.
Okay.
It was a little family trip, but it was I think it came at the right time.
Yeah.
It helped me reconnect to the culture, the people, the vibe, my roots. Mm-hmm. And it really kind of refocused me for 2020.
For sure.
And to stay in the lane that I actually want to be in and yeah.
And what lane is that? What is it you're looking to do for 2020?
Well, 2020 is really owning my heritage, right?
Yeah.
That Caribbean heritage, and also growing up here in Canada,
yeah.
right? And so just
I am Canadian.
Exactly.
Yes.
Most in all these things. Hey, just really combining those things and just bringing it to the world and just showing the world my perspective.
Got you.
And just showing love, to just the Caribbean roots and just trying to unite people. That's kind of my 2020 vision there. Yeah. So.
It makes sense because I've seen that you've been doing a lot of different stuff, especially on your Instagram and stuff, opposed to just the skits.
Yes,
you know what I mean?
Yes. So I showed a lot of vlogs that I had on YouTube. So this year 2019 was really trying to connect to the audience on a deeper level. Because sometimes Instagram people watch but they don't care. Right? So for the people that really cared, I was really trying to show them a different side. Just a more human side, just opposed to the comedy all the time, and just connect to the audience. And then from 2020 grow it and really travel. My 2020 plans is I want to visit every Caribbean island.
Okay.
Yeah, so I also went to Grenada last year.
You were in Grenada?
I was in Grenada.
Yeah.
Jab, Spice Island.
Come on, bro. Listen, jab is crazy, bro. Crazy. The jab in Canada is crazy, so I could only imagine.
Yeah, I didn't get to go for jab itself. So I know. No, I went off when it was just not peak times. I just want to go experience the island, the culture. Got an Airbnb, stayed in local mountains.
Yeah.
Might as well look a romantic thing still. Might as well look a romantic with my lady. You see me? But no, it was a really good experience, and I just want to continue those experiences and just showcase the Caribbean and the people and the culture. Yeah. And I didn't get to go to Accra, Ghana, all these things the year of the return. I didn't get to go. We didn't get to go. We're here.
All right.
We'll get our time.
Yes.
But, that's the plan, just to kind of unite in a sense, right? So.
All right. That makes sense. And what really inspires you to actually get up and do what you do? What or even who inspires you?
For me, I guess it's just, myself, just a battle with myself.
Yeah.
And in staying motivated and just having a goal and trying to beat that goal for myself.
Got you.
Right? So that's just merely it, and just showing a perspective from telling my story or our story, right? Because a lot of times with things, people tell your story for you, so I just want to tell my story and our story.
Mm-hmm. That makes sense. Any upcoming skits you have planned or anything?
Upcoming skits? Boy, when I'm in the shower, most of the times that's when they come still. So
the thing with it, I totally understand.
Right? The best ideas come in the shower.
When you're washing dishes.
I have to dress up and talk that. The best ideas forward when you're on the shower still. So yeah. So No, I have plenty of skits. You know, it's just when I have the time to shoot them.
Yeah.
And you know, when I'm feeling motivated.
Yeah.
And whatnot. But you know, you'll see them. You'll see them.
That's true. And what was a skit that really did it for you?
The one that really popped things off was the Jamaican cleaning skit. When I did, I think it was maybe like 2013 or something like that.
Hold on, it's from since then you've been putting out skits?
Yeah, for dog, a long time I do this, you know.
What?
But yeah, man.
I didn't realize it was that
you
long.
see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I did the Jamaican cleaning skit, and that one, I guess it really just resonated with the audience, the Caribbean audience. And even if you weren't Caribbean, I guess, you know, just the dancing, the entertainment factor of it just really resonated with people. And since then, you know, I've just been kind of building on that premise, and here we are.
And all that. Yeah, because a lot of people don't know that you do a lot more than skits. You're a photographer.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You do, what else do you do?
Well, I do photography. I've been doing the photography thing before this whole video, Instagram and whatnot. I feel that's kind of what has given me a certain eye. And, you know, my videos, I try to keep them a certain way, right? So that's just kind of the photography background. 2018 I did some content consulting.
Yes, I've seen that.
Yeah, so basically what that was, basically, you know, I've been doing this for a while, and I feel like I have a certain eye, and just mixed with my expertise per se, you know, I just kind of want to extend that to other individuals. Quiet on set. I just want no joke. I just want to extend that to other individuals who, you know, who want to get their things popping and have a certain look. So
and how did that go?
It went well. I worked with about 3 people.
Okay.
I feel like I helped them and gave them a head start, right? Because they're new in the game, and I felt like I helped to give them a head start, you know, just to lay the path and just stay away from certain things, or just go a certain way, and hopefully they kind of take heed and learn the lessons that is it.
Right now we're basically backstage at the Africa versus West Indian comedy show. Is this actually your first one you came to?
No. This is not the first one I've been to. This is maybe, you know, funny story.
Yeah.
Because with the I guess the photography and whatnot, I feel I was the photographer for the first West Indies version. I feel it was in Pickering. In some Mantua or something.
That was great walk.
Yeah, in some Mantua, right? Yeah. There was comedy.
You were the photographer?
I believe I was a photographer for that. I was, you know, there was General Tao chicken and comedy going, and like, you know, it was it was quite the show. Yeah. But you know, big up West Hype, the whole Juice Comedy crew, just to see, like, you know, where it started and where it is now, and you know, I gotta support that. I love that, right? So
for sure. No, that's crazy.
Yeah.
When it comes to the Africa and the West Indian team, who do you think is some of the strongest performers on the African side and then on the Caribbean side?
Well, for sure, African Ape was just killing it. Well, you know, so big one for real. Major Hype, you know, always shuts it down. White Yachty. Dulo, I was hoping Dulo would do like a full set, but he's coaching right now, so I didn't get to, you know, take everything in. But yeah, a lot of heavy hitters up there. You know, respect to Marlon, Toronto, the man's them. Yeah, we out her, right? So yeah, just big shout out, big respect to everyone, right? And just even getting up there, it's you know. I was here for, I think it was a summer show like a couple years ago. I performed on the stage as well, so I just know what it, you know, the things you're going through your mind, and the internal battle that, you know, you're just trying to get things right. So respect to everyone. Right?
Nah, man, trust me, it's a wicked show, and we could hear the thunderous laughs from down here.
Thunderclap.
I mean, trust me, it's crazy. So I can't wait to see some more stuff for you from 2020 and on. You know what I mean? Because you got so much more.
Yes.
To give.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So we're gonna check it out. You get the last word here. Send any shout outs, big ups, leave your social handles, everything right here.
Shout out to Iva, that's my mother, because she says I don't call her enough. I don't, you know, whatnot. So this one's for you, mommy.
Big up. What's her name?
Iva.
Big up Iva.
Mia.
Aye.
Right. So big up Iva Mia. And yeah, just shout out to everyone in for 2020. 2020 is going to be a big year. This is your year. You know, 2019. I hope it taught you lessons. So go get it. Just start. Whatever you need to do, just start. Yeah. Just start.
Just go.
Just go.
Yeah. Leave your social handles.
At Senior Gumboy. Everywhere.
Yeah.
See how I did that? Everywhere. So it's everywhere. For those who don't understand that. Yeah. At Senior Gumboy. You know how to spell. If you don't, too bad for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check me out.
You said something that just really sparked something in my mind. What's the biggest lesson you learned in 2019?
2019, what's my biggest lesson? So for me, what I felt like, so 2018, I kind of got on this new wave and vibe and whatever. And what I felt was 2019 was graduation year in a sense, right? So whatever discipline, whatever forte you were doing, like if you kind of look at it at university, you gone through your 4 years or 3 years or whatever the case may be of schooling. And I feel 2019 was graduation year.
Got you.
Right? And then 2020 is when you're like, you're taking onus of whatever you're doing, whether that be, like whatever your thing is. 2020 is a year where you say, this is what I do. I am good at it, and I'm going to show the world. So I feel that was my whole 2019.
Yeah.
Owning it.
Owning
in
it.
A sense, right? So
For real. Senior Gumboy, it's always love when we connect, you know what I mean? Big up yourself.
Yeah.
And we're going to continue right here at the Africa versus West Indies comedy show right here at the Queen Elizabeth Theater. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.